up, you guys? This is Kitty Cass. Yes, I know I haven't uploaded in a extremely long time. Let's just say that a lot of things have happened. My life did a 360, and yeah, so I'm in a way better place now. Everything's good. Life is good. I found on the internet the cutest little box. It's Pusheen, but it's like a Halloween Pusheen. So he's like a cute little ghost. And I knew I had to have it, and I knew I really wanted to share it with you guys. So now I will be uploading more than I did before. Fingers crossed. Yes, I might have some new boxes. I have some new ideas. And if you guys have any suggestions of things that you want to see, definitely leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm so sorry I was gone for so long, but I just needed that time, if that makes sense. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the box. It is a quarterly box. You get it 4 times a year. It is based on seasons, I believe. So it's spring, summer, fall, and winter, but with Pusheen. And I believe he's a little ghost. He's so adorable. It is $63 and some odd cents US, of course. But without further ado, let's just get into this box because I am too freaking excited. Look at that face. Oh my god. I love the box. He's so cute. See little ghosties and little pumpkins, and of course the moons. That is so adorable. Okay, we're gonna put these aside in case there's spoilers on it because I do not want spoilers. I see a clothing item. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited because look at the little tag. He's so cute. Look, it's a little ghost Pusheen. He's so cute in the corner. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I love the tie-dye. I hope it fits. There's more goodies. There's another ghost. Sorry guys, I just really love Pusheen, and the fact that there's a Pusheen ghost and it's a hat. I'm gonna wear it a lot. We got socks. I'm booing my best. I love it. I'm booing my best. I have a shirt that says hello, I'm doing my best, but booing my best, I think takes the cake. Pom-pom garden? Little ghosts, little pom-poms. Assuming just put it on the wall kind of thing. That's really adorable. There's pins! They're kind of upside down, but I mean, they're so cute. I think I see a Simba. Simba, do you want to come see the Pusheen? Ooh, this boy got a little wrecked in the mail, but it looks like it's an LED candle, and it has a little Pusheen saying boo, and it has a remote. That's awesome. I'm definitely going to use that a lot. Pusheen. I love the puns. This is so good. So it's just a little ghost Pusheen. He's so cute, or Pusheen, my bad. And last but not least, we have glow-in-the-dark double-walled glass cup. Okay, we have to open this. I need to see what it looks like. It's so tiny. It's so cute. A little ASMR. Beautiful. It's just like enough for maybe like an espresso shot or like a very mini latte, but adorable. This looks a little scratched. I'm hoping it's just not actually scratched, you know what I mean? It's just like right over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's maybe if something, you can kind of see it. I'm hoping it's not actually scratched because it's brand new, but we shall see. That is everything in the box. That was adorable. Now the box has my hair in it. and it's empty. Oh my goodness. Yes, it was a very short video, but short and sweet is usually the best thing to do. Comment down below your favorite item from this box. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a really nice spooky season. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know what I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect. And I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye!